Guys, I'm having so much fun with this ready to pour paints that I have this other video that I want to do for you. I don't have too much left in this bottle, so hopefully it is enough for the canvas that I want to use. This is blue violet, lavender, true blue, spring green, and white. Ooh, so pretty. So pretty. We don't want to waste any of the paint. Only 3 cups, so you know, guys, I hope I am giving you some ideas of colors with these gorgeous paints. I didn't want to lose that beautiful blue I had in there, but I had to. This is so super pretty. I know where to put these. Guys, this is super pretty. I think it's super pretty. Well, just because I love purple. No. This shows you that if you mix the paint a lot, I'm telling you a lot, inside the cups, then you will not get those huge caterpillars or huge cells. And the size of these cells are super pretty. Super pretty. And the only thing I'm going to do, I'm going to torch in one section just to show you what happens if you torch. And it's going to be in this section. with a small torch. It has lots of dots. Just gonna bring more dots, because on the second torching you only get small dots. But those dots will get a tiny bit bigger, but not too much unless you start moving them. I don't like this corner, but guys, I don't wanna, for just one corner, I don't wanna mess this up. I'm just going to torch that corner that I don't like to change it a tiny bit, and that's it. But just for one corner, I'm not gonna mess up my composition, because when you try to do that, you'll forget about that. You will forget about that in a few weeks. You're gonna forget about that corner, because when you try to fix just one section of the painting, you're gonna damage your, you're gonna wish you didn't have done that. Trust me, I've been there, done that. So this is a dry piece, and who says that you cannot make gorgeous looking cells with these paint, ready to pour paints? It's incredible. This is a beauty. I really think so. This is a beauty with my favorite colors. I love purple, so and turquoise. I think this is super gorgeous, and this is a keeper. So if you're still debating whether to get these paints, I think they're super good, because there's no preparation needed. You just have to add the silicone and start pouring, and it creates wonderful, 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 wonderful cells. So I hope you like what we did, and we will be showing you other products and other stuff. So please subscribe to the channel. Please come back for other videos, and please share our videos so that others can watch it. Have a wonderful day. I have to show you. See, look at that cell. Has two lines, one green and one dark blue in the inside. So there's another one here. There are cells with lots of lines around it. That's the type of cells that I like to see. I like to see cells that have lines around it. I think they're so beautiful. Look how they have cells with lines around it. So that's what I like to see when I do cells. Hope you like it. Bye-bye.